Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Caking at Midnight. Tonight we will be working on some buttercream ruffles. So let's roll that intro. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at caking_at_midnight. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell for notifications. Okay, so we're gonna do buttercream ruffles tonight, and they're gonna be 5 different colors on the way up, kind of a Mexican theme. So we're gonna start with red on the bottom. I have a number 104 tip. Okay, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's a petal tip. It's a 104. They come in 103s, a little bit bigger. They even have, I believe, a bigger one. It's a 124, 125. It's a bigger petal, but for this one, it's a little bit smaller, and this is a 104. So with this type of ruffle, we're gonna make them ruffly. Some of them are really thin and have really thin layers. That's not the type of ruffle we're gonna do. So with this one, you wanna make sure that the fatter end of this tip is against the cake. So let's see if we can get a good angle on this here. And you're just gonna hold the fatter tip against the cake, just bring it around. Angle is kind of funny. If you get it off a little bit, just keep going. Now with this one, remember we are gonna be using 5 different colors. So we'll probably do 2 or 3 of each color and then switch on to your next one. And this one, just the same, just go right above the last one and work your way around. Okay, I don't know if you can see right in here, if they're not close enough together, or if they're not close enough together and you have a white crumb coat on there, you're gonna see through. So when you go through, just make sure that you're put enough pressure to make those ruffles scrunch together. So we're gonna switch colors, go to our orange. The more pressure that you apply to your piping bag, the more it's gonna wanna ruffle on its own. So if you just spin too fast and just constant pressure on here, but you're spinning too fast, it's gonna come out as a thinner ruffle and not as ripply. So depending on what look you wanna go for is how fast you wanna spin your board. Now also, if you wanted this to be a bigger ripple or a more dramatic effect, then go ahead and use that bigger tip. Right, a 124. So about 1/4 of an inch, between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch bigger than the one that we're using now. So if you want a more dramatic ruffle or something that sticks out a little bit farther, use that bigger tip. But these petal tips come in a lot of different sizes, so just pick which one you wanna go with or wanna try. Or use a coupler and try a couple of them to see which one you like better. I don't know if you can see. Right here it's a little flatter. This is where I spun my board or my turntable a little bit faster. And over here, we're really ripply. So depending on how you want this to look, like this, or really thin ruffles, like I said earlier, it's all in how much you kind of move your arm and how fast you turn that turntable. You can move your arm up and down a lot. If you're spinning that really fast, it's not gonna matter. You're gonna have thinner ruffles, so just watch it. Here's our ruffles. I hope you enjoyed the video this evening of our buttercream ruffles. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them in the comment section down below. As always, this is Caking at Midnight, and happy caking.